Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to learn some more bits of first lesson. Shall we continue? Yeah. See my dear children, those who haven't bought your textbook still now, please go and buy. It's necessary, it's need. See, those who have textbooks, open page number 7. Those who have textbooks, please open page number 7. Okay. So those who haven't bought textbooks till now, go and buy my dear children. Okay. Because you have to write all these in the textbook with pencil. Okay. Are you all ready to start our class? Right. So my dear children, here some bits are there. See, I'll read it. Read these sentences by replacing the highlighted word with the synonyms from the box. See ma, I have written on the board. Okay? See? Write the synonyms of the underlined words. Write the synonyms of the underlined words. So, what do you mean by synonym? What do you mean by synonym? Synonyms means nothing but the word with same meaning. The word with same meaning. Okay. So, we have to write the synonyms of these underlined words. Okay. Shall we write? Here clue words also given. See? Neat, fondness, tiny, large, happy. See ma? Here clue words also given. You have to choose the correct one. Pick up the correct one and write the write the synonym of the concerned word. Shall we start? Right. Seema, I am glad to hear the good news. I am glad to hear the good news. When we hear good news, what we say? I am very happy. Glad is nothing but here glad. Glad is nothing but happiness. Happy. Glad is nothing but happy. So, the meaning of glad is, see, happy. So, I'll write the answer here, ma'am. Okay? See, H-A. Tell me the spelling of happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Okay. See, I am glad to hear the good news. So, I am happy to hear the good news. I am happy to hear the good news. Next, second one. The little boy had a love for cakes. The little boy, he loved the cakes very much. So, the little boy had a love for cake. Love means fondness. Love means ఇష్టపడడం. Okay. ఇష్టపడడం ని ఇంకో వర్డ్ లో ఏమనాలి? Love is nothing but see, neat, fondness, tiny, large, happy. What is the correct word? Fondness అంటే ఎక్కువగా ఇష్టపడడం. Okay. So, love. The meaning of the synonym of love is here fondness. Tell me the spelling. F O N D. Fond. N E S S. Fondness. Okay. See, the little boy had a love for cakes. The little boy had a love for cakes. Love is the nothing but fondness. Okay, ma'am. Fondness. You have to learn these spellings also. Okay? Fondness. Right. Third one. The classroom was really tidy. All the classroom was really tidy. See, ma'am. Tidy means neatness, cleanness. Tidy means cleanness. So, the classroom was really neat. Very good. You all are very good students. I know that. So, tidy means neat. Very good. Okay. Ants are small creatures. Ants are small creatures. Here, what is the meaning of small? Small. Small is very small, little in size. Am I right? Very small in size. Small. The meaning of small. Tell me one more meaning of small. Tiny. Very good. The ants are small in size or small creatures or small is tiny. The meaning of small is, one more meaning of small is tiny. Very good. Next, the rooms in this hotel are big. The rooms in this hotel are big. Big means very big in size. పెద్దగా ఉండటం కదా. So the rooms in this hotel are big. So we have to choose one same meaning from to this word. Big. Large. Very good. Big means large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Seema. Glad. Synonym. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Love. Synonym. Fondness. F-O-N-D-N-E-S-S. Fondness. Next. Tidy. Synonym. N-E-A-T. Neat. Tidy. Synonym. N-E-A-T. Neat. Next. Small. Tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. Small. Tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. Next. Big. Big. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. See? Big. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Till now it's over. Next we are going to the opposite words. Next we are going to opposite words. We have to write the opposite of the concerned word. See ma, I have already written on the board. Wide. Wide ante peddaga undadu. So wide. The opposite word of wide is narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W. Narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W. Narrow. Chinnaga undadu. Peddaga undedani wide. Ante bottle. If a bottle is there, then that bottle's mouth is very open. Then when we go through, when we look at the Sprite bottles, then the mouth of that bottle will be very small in size, very narrow. Am I right? So that is wide and narrow. So next, smooth. 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 Smooth ga undi anta. Smooth. Opposite, rough. R-O-U-G-H. Rough. Smooth opposite, rough. R-O-U-G-H. Rough. Next, harsh. H-A-R-S-H. Harsh. Harsh. H-A-R-S-H. Harsh. Harsh opposite word, gentle. G-E-N-T-L-E. Gentle. One more time. G-E-N-T-L-E. Gentle. Next, tight. Tight opposite, loose. L-O-O-S-E. Loose. See here. L-O-O-S-E. Loose. Okay. Next, long. Long. Long opposite, short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Long opposite, short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Next, far. F-A-R. Far. Far opposite word, near. N-E-A-R. Near. Far opposite word, near. N-E-A-R. Near. Next, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. వెలుతురు ఉండడం బాగా. Bright. Opposite word, dull. D-U-L-L. Dull. Bright opposite, dull. D-U-L-L. Dull. Next, ugly. It's looking very ugly. Very ugly. Ugly opposite, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Ugly opposite, beautiful. B-E-A-U T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Okay, next, cold, cold. Hot, H-O-T, hot. Cold opposite, H-O-T, hot. Cold opposite, H-O-T, hot. Very good. Now, kind, kind. Opposite word, cruel, C-R-U-E-L, cruel. Kind opposite, cruel. Seema, I'll read once again. You have to read along with me. Wide, narrow, wide, narrow. Smooth, rough, smooth, rough. Harsh, gentle, harsh, gentle. Tight, loose, tight, loose. Long, short, long, short. Far, near, far, near. Bright, dull, bright, dull. Ugly, beautiful, ugly, beautiful. Cold, hot, cold, hot. Kind, cruel, kind, cruel. See, we'll read once again. We'll read only the words of this sentence. Glad, synonym, happy. Here we are writing the same meaning. Here we are writing the opposite words. Okay. See, glad, happy, love, fondness, tidy, neat, small, tiny, big, large. These are the synonyms and these are the opposite words. Okay. See, my dear children, you have to write 2 times. This is your homework. All these are your homework. Okay. That's all for today, my dear children. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice day.